Hello and welcome back to the Bloomsbury International video lesson series. Don't forget, for all the information you need on learning English and studying in London, go to our website at www.bloomsbury-international.com. What we're going to do today, we're going to look at the TH sound. Now, TH at the beginning or anywhere in a word has two different pronunciations. We've got th, which is the strong sound, th. Repeat after me, th. Very good. And then we have the, which is the softer sound, the. Very good. Repeat after me, the. Excellent. So the two sounds, th with words like thing, and the with words like this. So just try practicing this sentence. There are those brothers and others who, I think, thought I had a bath. Very good. Practice that in your own time and we'll see you again next month for a new sound. Bye.